Assalamu alaikum. This is Amidur Rahman. Just I'm discussing narration. Already I have discussed with you the narration part 1 and part 2. And now I'm going to discuss with you the narration part 3. Okay, please come to this side. Okay, dear students, if you get interrogative sentence in the inverted comma, that means in inverted comma in reported speech, if you get interrogative sentence, okay, then the instead of said there will be the asked, and to delete inverted comma there will be if or whether. If the sentence starting with helping verb, okay, if the sentence starts with helping verb plus subject plus verb plus extension plus note of interrogation, then to delete inverted comma there will be if or whether. If it's the very small word, we time was to use the if. Okay, now just look at the sentence. Okay, dear students, for practicing the second one, please look at this. I have just given you the interrogative sentence for practice. If you get here interrogative sentence, already I have told you that. Instead of said, there will be the asked. Okay, please look at this. Amin asked Sharifa. To delete inverted comma, we have to use here if. Okay, if or whether we'll use here if. Now you have to do activities or action or work. That is, you have to transform the interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. Of course, in indirect narration there won't be any type of sentence except assertive sentence. So you have to transform the sentences into assertive sentence. How will you transform it? You have to just write down the subject at the beginning of the sentence, then verb, then extension. Okay, so think this is the subject and this is the verb. If you want to make it assertive sentence, the sentence will be like this: you are. Now says the sentence. Okay, you will indicate the object of repeating verb. So instead of you, as you is the is in the subjective form. So subjective form of this Sharifa will be she. Okay. Now we have got here are. Are will be changed into was are. Okay. Now we will write down here was, as this is the third singular number. Okay. Cooking. If we get now, then we have to use here then. So this is the sense. So if the sentence is interrogative sentence and the sentence starts with helping verb, we have to just transform it. Instead of said, we have to write down here asked, and to delete inverted comma, we have to use here if, and then the changing of the others rule earlier that I have discussed with you. Now come to the second sentence. If you want to write it in direct sentence, okay, Sophie, instead of said, we have to write down here asked. If you look at this rules, you will get that. Okay, here to delete inverted comma, you have to write down here that question word. Which question word will remain in the sentence, that question word will come in the to delete inverted comma. Okay, Sophie asked Sajid, where? As where is the question word of the sentence, of interrogative sentence, this where. That is, which question word will remain in this sentence, that question word will come to delete inverted comma. Okay. Now we have got here where. So where. Now assertive sentence, you will just indicate the Sajid. So instead of Sajid, here will be he. And now the changing of verb, instead of will, there will be would and go. So this is the changing of interrogative sentence. So there is student, if we get interrogative sentence starting with helping verb, we have to say instead of said, we have to write down here asked, and to delete inverted comma, you have to write down here if or whether. Okay, and we have to transform the sentence into assertive sentence, and the changing of others rule, that will be same. Okay, now if we go to the another sentence of interrogative sentence starting with the question word. Okay, instead of said, there will be the asked, and to delete question word, to inverted comma, there will be that question word. Which question word will remain in that sentence. Okay, and the changing of others rule will be the same. Okay, this is the interrogative sentence. Now have a practice on this interrogative sentence. on the other page. Okay, now dear students, I have a practice on interrogative sentence in this site. Please look at this. I have written here, Morris said to me, have you a car? Number two, Tanya said to me, can you sing a song? Rakib said to Shamim, when will your father come? Number four, Bobby said to me, why are you busy? Number five, she said to me, how do you swim? These are the sentences you have to just transform it. Okay, only for this writing, I'm just giving you a little time. Okay. Now, dear students, please look at the board. I'm just transforming it. Mori asked me, as this is interrogative sentence, so we have to write down here asked, and to delete inverted comma we have to write down here if. Now you have to transform the sentence assertive sentence. You have to think that you have. So you will indicate the, we can say, indicate the pronoun object of repeating verb here. Me, so it will be I. Have will says into had. I had a car. So this is the assertive sentence. Please look at this another sentence. Tanya asked me to delete inverted comma. You have to write down here if, as make it assertive sentence. You can. So you will indicate meme. Instead of meme there will be she. She can will says into could sing a song. Sing a song. This is the assertive sentence. Now let's come to the another sentence. Rakib asked Shamim. Here we have got here. We can say question note. We have to use this question note to remove inverted comma. So where will be set here? Where? Now make it assertive sentence. Your father will come. So your father, your will indicate the we can say object of repeating verb, and this is the positive form. So positive form of Shami will be his, and in bracket we should write down the name of the first letter. Okay, Shamim and Rakib, this is the same boy. Okay, person or boy. So if we write down here his, whom will I indicate? So I have to, if we write down here is, that is Shamim is, automatically I will recognize and understand that this his is mean Shamim. So Shamim, we have to write down shortly the is, and then father will come, that means would come. Okay, or we can write down here instead of come, go. Okay, please look at this. Bobby said to me, why are you busy? Now change it. Bobby asked me why you will indicate the object. So use the subject form. Subject form of me will be I. Okay, I was. I will be sent to was busy. Now let's come to the last one. She asked me how. This is present infinite tense, and you will indicate me. Okay, use the subject form. The subject form me will be I, and this is the present tense. So there will be the past tense. Okay, some. So dear student, this is the changing of interrogative sentence. Perhaps you have tried most to change the form. Okay, now dear students, let's have a practice on imperative sentence. Okay, so how can we transform the imperative sentence from direct to indirect. Please look at this. Imperative sentence basically starts with verb, base form of verb plus extension, done plus extension, let's plus extension. Already I have discussed in your first we can say part, okay, narration. Now, how will you be sensed? Look at this. Instead of said, if the sentence starts with verb or plus extension, okay, or please or kindly with that verb, then we have to sense said into ordered, advised, request, told, forbade. Okay, to delete inverted comma, we have to use that to. Okay, if the sentence we can say give the command, okay, expresses the command, then we'll write down here ordered, and if it expresses request, then we'll write down here requested, and if it expresses that advised, then we'll write down here advised. Okay, and if we can't understand whether the sentence is request from request, or we can say advised, or from order, then we can write down told. In this totally instead of said, we can write down told. Okay, so to delete inverted comma, we have to write in here to. And if there is any sensing of person, then we may sense the person. Okay, if the sentence start with done plus extension, then we have to write down here instead of said, we can write down here forbade. And if you don't use forbade, if you use request or ordered or advised, but we have to use here not to. And if we use forbade, we cannot use not to, but we have to use here to only to. Okay, but if we don't use forbade, if we write down here ordered, request, advised, or told, then to delete inverted comma, we have to write down here not to. And if we write forbade, we cannot use not to but to, because in forbade there is the part of we can say negative. So if the sentence is negative, we cannot write down here negative, but the positive form. Okay, if the positive form, there will be the negative form. And don't will be deleted, okay, removed. And if the sentence starts with let's plus extension, that means propose, okay, proposal, the sentence will be the from proposal side, okay, then we have to say said into propose to, and to delete inverted comma, we have to write in here that we should. Totally you can say that propose to that we should. If you get let's, we will write down here propose to that we should, omitting let's. Let will be deleted. Okay, these are the process. Now come to this side. So I have written here three sentences from three we can say parts. Please look at this. This sentence has been started with base form of verb. Okay, so Tamim. Okay, so open your book. It may be advice or it may be order. Okay, if we can't understand whether this is order or request, then we can write down here told. As open your book, it may be order. It may any Shamim tell Shamim to open the book. Okay, yeah. So it may be ordered me. To delete inverted comma, we have to write down here to. So to open your will indicate me. So the possessive form of me will be my book. The sentence will be assertive sentence, and all the time the pronoun will be sensed. Okay, if there is I, my, me, and you. Okay, now come to the second sentence. Shumi said to me. Now Shumi asked me. Sorry. Shumi forbade me to waste your time. Your will indicate me, so my time. Okay, and if we would use here we can say ordered, okay, or request or advised, then we have to write down here not to. As forbade there is the percentage of negative, so we cannot use here negative not to. but only two. This is the form. Okay, now I'm changing the rest of the sentence. Propose to. I propose to him to delete inverted comma. We have to write here that we should. That we should start the game. That we should start the game. Okay, this is the system of changing imperative sentence from direct to indirect. Now let's have a practice on the another part. Now, dear students, let's have practice on imperative sentence. Please look at this. I have written here, he said to me, please give me your book. Now you have to transform it into indirect narration. Rina said to Bina, don't do it again. Number 3, she said to me, let's discuss the matter. Number 4, we said to him, don't run in the sun. These are the sentences you have to transform it. So for doing this, I'm giving you only 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, try to complete it. Okay. Now, dear student, I'm just sending the sentences. Please, similarly, you're writing with me. Okay. Now, look at this. Okay. If we get here, please, we have to write down here requested. Okay, this sentence means that request. Okay, please give me your book. Requested me to delete inverted comma. We have to write down here to give me. Me will indicate subject. So me the objective form. So objective form of subject will be him. Your is the possessive form. That your will indicate the object of repeating verb. So your here will be my book. Now, Rina, don't forbid. Forbid Bina to do it again. Okay. Now let's come to the number 3. She, as the sentence has been started with propose to, so propose to me that we should discuss the matter. Now, number 4, sorry. Don't run in the sun. It may be advice. Okay. We advised him not to run in the sun. Please look at this. Instead of don't, I have used here advised. Okay, and as I have used here advised, so I have used here not to. Okay, but if I use here, we can say forbid. But I have to write down here only to, not to. As there is no forbid, so I have to write down here not to. This is the process and procedure of changing the imperative sentence. Okay, dear students, thank you very much for watching this video, and later on I'll try to complete your rest of the part of narration in part 4. Okay, keep on watching my channel. See you again in the next class.